I'm still young, and I don't know much. I might be lost. Everyone knows something I don't know. Everyone knows something I don't know. They won't tell me I'm here, stuffing up this knowledge you keep. What will I gain from the silence that you keep? So here I am, trying to understand what is going on, what I'm doing